So guys, if you want to use second space on your Redmi 15A, then don't worry about it. There's a simple and quick method to solve this issue easily. Just follow the steps shown on your screen and your problem will be fixed. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more. Let's fix it.